Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is a quick Saturday update to the information about the release of the April 2018 update for Windows 10, or what some call Spring Creators Update, or version 1803, or whatever you want to call it. So where are we at, and when will it be released? Well, it's probably going to be released pretty soon, honestly, because we learned yesterday that they've pushed the build 17134 in the release preview and the slowing. So that means getting very, very close. When you're in the release preview, that means that you are pretty much there. So I wouldn't be surprised that in the coming week they might actually release it, even though there's no official date yet. Also, we learned that the famous settings bug that everybody was apparently talking about on 17134 is apparently a non-issue. It isn't a problem, and it isn't something that apparently is really a problem there. So it seems that a lot of hype was given to that problem, which is not a problem apparently, more than anything else. It's something that, if there is such an issue or a little something like that, they're going to issue a cumulative update, and that's pretty much it. So we're getting closer, that we know. It's still not released. I get every day messages from people saying, is it out yet? Is it out yet? It's not. But we are at 17134. If you're an insider, you have it. And that's it. You are on that April 2018 update. You can remove yourself from the insider program, and you'll be okay for the cumulative updates that are coming up. I've upgraded this main machine to this April 2018 update, and that's why I've been doing videos. Some people are saying, well, how can you do the videos if it's not out yet? It's because this main machine that I'm using to make videos is actually updated to that update. So it is, it has all the new features. There won't be any new features added here. For sure, I mean, we are at the official version, so expect it to arrive in the next couple of weeks. This week or next week, but next couple of weeks, this is coming out. There are some people that were speculating they would come out and build. I personally think it's going to come out before, and I think it's going to come out before the end of the month. So it is going to be an April 2018 update. We're getting really, really close now. So that's the up-to-date information. It's coming. So if some of you are just waiting for it, once again, don't rush it. If you have an official release date, and of course we'll talk about it as soon as we have one. Wait for it to arrive with Windows Update. Don't force it. People that have problems usually are the ones that have actually forced upgrade. Let me do that. I forced upgrade my machine right now, which works fine. And for those that wonder if there's going to be an image or an ISO released, yep, on the day that it's going to release, sometime in the day, the media creation tool will be updated, and version will be the image will be updated. So when you'll download that image and create a USB thumb drive or that DVD, whatever you choose, you'll have the April 2018 update. And if you have made a USB thumb drive with Windows 10 Fall Creators Update, well, when that arrives, upgrade your thumb drive and create the April 2018 update thumb drive with it, so that if you need to reinstall at some point, you'll have the latest version already there, instead of installing Fall Creators Update and then waiting for that update to come and install on your machine. So we're close, and we're keeping an eye on all of this, of course, so hang in there. In the next week or two, things are going to start rolling out for April 2018 update. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.